Hi, and welcome to this quick video tutorial on how to install HAL's new audio morphing software, Morphosis. So I've just downloaded from the HAL Audio website the installers for Morphosis. I've got the Apple Silicon installer for the AX version, the standalone version, and I've also downloaded one of the model packs, the English Vintage Broadcast Mail. Let's start installing. Double-click the AX Silicon installer, click Continue. It's going to take a bit of space, click Install, enter your password, and in a few seconds you should be good to go. You can click Close, and then let's get to the standalone. All you need to do is to drag and drop the Morphosis icon into your Applications folder. This should take about a minute, and we'll be good. Okay. Lastly, let's install a model pack. So this is the installer for the model pack called English Vintage Broadcast Mail. You want to click Continue, Install for all users. Here's where you can change the install location. So the install location is quite important because you're going to want to have all your models in the same space, whether it's on your computer or an external hard drive. This is where Morphosis is going to go to link to these models. Click Install, type in your password, and we're off. Okay, so the last step is to activate your license for Morphosis. For that, we're going to need iLok License Manager. You'll get that from iLok.com, and you're going to need your own account that you can then link to your computer or various iLoks, and the serial you receive by mail after buying Morphosis. You want to click Redeem Activation Code either in the icon in the top right hand of the corner or in the drop-down menu here, Redeem Activation Code. Get the code we've sent you, copy it, paste it right here, and then click Next. Here you can choose where you want to activate it to, so it's either your iLok or your personal computer. You can even activate it to the cloud. Right now we're going to activate it to the Antoine HAL iLok. Click Activate, and in a few seconds you're done. Okay, let's start morphing.